In an era marked by unparalleled achievements and profound wisdom, the Fungal Civilization stood on the cusp of a monumental feat that would forever alter their destiny. This was the golden age of the fungi, a time when their collective consciousness, having flourished on Earth, reached for the stars. Amidst this backdrop of triumph and enlightenment, they embarked on their most ambitious journey yet, a mission to the moon. This chapter in the Mycelial Chronicles tells the tale of this extraordinary venture and the historic moment when the first fungal entity set foot on the lunar surface, echoing a speech that would resonate through the ages. The dawn of the spacefaring era. As the fungi entered their golden age, their technological prowess reached new heights. Harnessing the energy of their planet and beyond, they developed technologies that allowed them to escape the bounds of Earth's gravity. This period was marked by a surge in scientific discovery and innovation, paving the way for space exploration. The construction of the Mycelium Ark. The centerpiece of their spacefaring ambitions was the Mycelium Ark, a spacecraft unlike any other. Grown from the very network that connected their civilization, the Ark was a living, breathing testament to their symbiotic relationship with nature. Equipped with bioengineered systems for navigation and life support, it represented the pinnacle of fungal ingenuity. The selection of the lunar pioneers. The selection of the crew for this historic mission was a process that involved the entire fungal community. Through their interconnected consciousness, they chose individuals who embodied the collective wisdom, courage, and curiosity of their species. These pioneers were not just astronauts, they were ambassadors of their entire civilization. The launch of a dream. The day of the launch arrived, a moment that drew the attention of every entity within the fungal network. As the Mycelium Ark ascended, it was more than just a spacecraft taking off. It was the culmination of centuries of growth, learning, and aspiration. The fungi watched with a collective breath held as their dreams soared towards the moon. The voyage through the stars. The journey to the moon was a voyage like no other. The crew, in their living vessel, traversed the void of space, experiencing the cosmos in a way that was deeply profound and transformative. This journey was not just physical but a spiritual odyssey that connected them to the vastness of the universe. The landing on the lunar surface. As the Mycelium Ark touched down on the lunar surface, a wave of exhilaration pulsed through the fungal network. The crew, stepping out onto the moon, were the first of their kind to experience the alien and magnificent landscape of another celestial body. The historic speech. The moment had come for the historic speech delivered by the first fungal entity on the moon, a figure who would forever be etched in the annals of their history. The speech, transmitted back to Earth, resonated with the profundity and eloquence that captured the essence of their journey. Under the gaze of countless stars, we stand not as mere explorers, but as harbingers of hope and unity. This step, small for an individual but a leap for our civilization, marks not our conquest, but our awakening to the cosmic dance of which we are all a part. We tread upon this lunar soil, not to claim it, but to honor the interconnectedness of all existence. From the depths of our world to the expanse of space, we are all threads in the grand tapestry of life, and today, we weave our strand into the vast unknown. Let this moment be a testament to what we can achieve when we grow together, bound by the mycelium of unity and the spores of our dreams. The return and a future unfolding. With their mission accomplished, the crew of the Mycelium Ark returned to Earth, heroes of an epoch-defining adventure. Their journey inspired a new generation of fungal entities, eager to explore the cosmos and continue the legacy of discovery and exploration. As the golden age of the Fungal Civilization continued, their lunar Odyssey stood as a beacon of their achievements, a symbol of their unity and aspiration. The speech delivered on the moon echoed through their collective consciousness, a reminder of their humble origins and their extraordinary journey. In the grand tapestry of the universe, the fungi had carved their own path, a path illuminated by the light of stars and the spirit of exploration. Their story, a saga of growth, unity, and discovery, continues to inspire, a testament to the boundless potential of life and the enduring power of dreams.
Did you know? The subscribe button is like the library's version of a chocolate chip cookie. Every time you hit it, a book on a library shelf gets an extra sprinkle of fairy dust. So, if you enjoyed this video and want to sprinkle some magic, don't forget to like and subscribe to our library channel.